Hello friends, today we are visiting beekeeping farm of Ukrainian beekeeper Vasyl Priyatelenko. We just checked and removed some frames from beehives. These two beehives with different structures because of different type of combs, different type of frames. But all of them, they have original structure of frames with T, metallic T, and shaped for. Alright, just hornet was coming. With metallic upper frame. We removed some frames with honey from small beehives with 254 millimeters frames, quadrate frames, and we removed from upper box with root frames, so we just can watch inside beehive, so how it looks like. You can see crossed positioning of frames in upper box and down box. Down box, this is a root box, already comes with honey, with part of brood. You can see just now comes with honey and brood, which we're going to over winter. So this is quite strong colony. We removed 5 frames from upper box, which is consisted of 8 frames of root frames and 12 frames of narrow deep frames in brood box. So this is a restructuring of beehive and removal of frames with honey. Colony is quite strong. Combs have a lot of honey, totally approximately 30 kilograms during the season. And you can see this is a cross positioning upper frame and down frames. This is very special structure, and special structure of frames, which is metallic upper frame. Which one? See, this is metal covered with propolis and with wax. Welcome to channel. Welcome to watch more videos from Beehives of Vasyl Priyatelenko. And don't forget to subscribe, press like, and visit our Patreon page.